Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Appogee SR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Appogee SR login. And as the search result, in the first option, you can see Sign in to Appogee HR. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal of Appogee HR. Over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, in the password box, enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click here on the eye icon. Also, you guys can sign into Appogee Adder with Google, Microsoft, or Xero by clicking on these respective buttons. And once you do that, click on Sign in to AAR. You will be signed into your account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here, Forgot your password to recover it. So, this much for this video. This is how you can sign into Appogee Adder. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.